ladies and gentlemen, once again, give it up for Mac and of course Audrey. Palakpakan po natin sila one more time. Grabe! Yan, it's really a great celebration for us. At kaya naman po sa ating mga bisita, maaari ay marinig ko kayo ng napakalakas. Pakisabi, mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Alright! That's great, everybody. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bea and Mark's wedding reception. I am Ancher Cua, and I'm your wedding reception host for this grand celebration this evening. And actually, nakikita ko po, no, sa ating mga bisita, hindi po lahat ay taga Ilocos Sur. Asan po? I think meron din galing ng Metro Manila. Asan po sila? Alright! Woo! Game. Alright, are you guys okay? Ganito naman ang gagawin natin. Well, as a courtesy din naman, especially that you're here in Ilocos, how about greeting one another din naman? Pakigreet ang isa't isa ng naimbag nga rabii. Sige nga. Pakisabi sa katabi, naimbag nga rabii. Yan! Okay, that's how we greet good evening. At paano naman? Para sa ating mga bisita, pakitignan po ang mga babae nating bisita. Gentlemen, please look po or pakitignan po ang inyong mga katabi or kaharap na babae. Pakisabi, nagpintas ka. Well, baka kung iba pong ibig sabihin yun sa pintas ng ano ha. Well, in Ilocos we say na pintas, which means maganda. Alright. Now, for the ladies, it's time for you to reply back. Ladies, pakitignan din po ang mga katabi niyong lalaki or mga nasa harap ninyo. Pakisabi, nagpintas kami. Okay. Well, di joke lang, baka mamaya sabihin natin na masyad maganda rin sila. Para dito sa Ilocos Norte, in Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, we actually say, nagwapo ka when no, nagtaraki ka. Ganon, yung ibig sabihin. Pag sa mga lalaki, pakisabi nga yan. Ladies, pakisabi yun, nagwapo ka when no, nagtaraki ka. Yeah, ba parang masyado tayong pale dun ah. Nagtaraki ka, parang ganun ata yung iba. Alright, feelings with feelings din naman, no? But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be having lots of things to celebrate for tonight's celebration. And by the way, since not everybody can attend in this occasion, we are actually live po sa TFC AST. Well, sa ating Facebook po na si Richard Soria. So if ever you have friends po na hindi man nakapunta ngayon or relatives, please do look for Richard Soria's Facebook page or account para mapanood po nila lahat ng greatest happenings for today's or for tonight's celebration. But before anything else, let's start din naman po acknowledging some of our dearest guests for tonight's occasion. Once I call your name, please stand up for recognition. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the Ninongs and Ninangs. Alright, if you're here, we have Sir Ronald Ople. Pag nandito, tayo sir. Kung gusto po nating tumambling, walang problema. Alright, we also have Sir Ray Christopher Jurado. Alright, if you're here, please stand up for recognition. And of course, we also have Sir Edwin Miranda. Woo! Alright! And how about this time? We also have Dr. Jose Don Soriano. Woo! Alright! Mr. Alex Quezada. Meron tayong para cheer dito na grupo, grabe. Alright, Mr. JG Singson De Leon. Woo! Followed by Honorable Luis Chavez Singson, by which po na pag-busy lang, but hopefully he can catch up. And we also have Dr. Meli Soriano. Woo! Yan! Ang saya ng crowd na to. Dr. Mary Grace Jurado. Woo! Followed by Mrs. Mary Ryan Miranda. Yes! Miss Marlene Lubiano. Woo! Mrs. Ethel Quezada. Mrs. Helen De Leon. And of course, Mrs. Beverly Ann Tartzer. Alright, palakpakan natin one more time. And one of our special guests, we have, ladies and gentlemen, running for the 1st District Representative of Ilocos Sur, Sir Ronald Singson Del Yamar. Ayan, hello! Yes! And ladies and gentlemen, tumayo po tayong lahat as this is the moment we've all been waiting for. And with all the love from our dearest, ayan, bride's father, Sir Bobby, and of course, Mommy Perla, of the groom, ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm round of applause. Gusto ko pa palakasan tayo ng palakpak and cheer as we welcome the newlywed, Mr. Mark Figueras. And ladies and gentlemen, his loving wife, Mrs. Bea Cajucom-Figueras. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan lang. Come on, let's give those applause going. At isa malakas Thank you so much for welcoming the couple. And with that, you may of course take a rest, enjoy the rest of the evening. As for this time, we've already witnessed how the couple really answered with love and joy. But as part of their special occasion, ladies and gentlemen, presenting the very first bond of Mark and Bea, their very first dance. Palakpakan. Congratulations. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Sir Bobby Cajucom and at the same time, Ma'am Perla Figueras. Sir, maraming salamat po. More? No more. Later on. So of course, ladies and gentlemen, as we've already witnessed some of the special moments of the couple, well, this time, I know things may not be completely, especially with the loved ones. And right now, there is a great tribute for us who is actually a man of his words, a great leader, a brother, and of course a dear father of the town and for his family. But well, unfortunately, everybody, on September 17 last year, we have a great friend, syempre a father who just passed away because of the COVID-19 illness. But since his memories would really linger forever, and we have here tonight a really great tribute, and at the same time, something that our couple would have to say, and especially to share some of the great things he did, not just for the whole family, but for everybody. So, of course, Sir Mark, please do the honor.
Thank you, Tita Fred. Thank you for the inspiration. Thank you for the motivation. Kung wala ka, this past year would have been unbearable for us. So, thank you.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the couple's message of tribute for, of course, Sir Alfred. Ayan. Well, of course, as we always say in life, always move forward, but whatever it is, he or may not be here and naman, I'm sure he's really happy watching us from above. At yun na naman talagang gusto natin, di ba? We want to see people to be happy and we really have to be strong in life din naman. Okay, so, alright, wipe your tears. Grabe na talaga, no? Now, well, in addition to our special messages for tonight, actually we have guests who will be sharing their special wishes, their best wishes para sa mag-asawa. So I'd like to call first, ayan, syempre, since kasama din naman natin siya, candidates for the provincial board member. Ayan, and we're of course wishing him all the luck. Once again, we have Sir J.G. Singson De Leon. Please welcome him with a big round of applause as we hear his message.
Thank you, thank you.
Alright, once again, ladies and gentlemen, Sir JG. Maraming salamat po. Grabe, parang mas na-entertain ako sa tawa ni Sir. Okay. But anyway, still, thank you so much for adding all the smiles here for tonight. And in addition to our special messages and best wishes, I'd also like to welcome, indeed, actually, isa sa mga couple pala natin. I'd like to welcome Sir Paulo and Ma'am Michelle Peralta. Alright, let's have them here. If this may come as a surprise, life is full of surprises indeed.
Thank you.
There you go. Alright, there you go once again, Sir Paulo and Ma'am Michelle, maraming salamat. Well, talaga naman na mas sincere ang mensahe lalo na kapag surprise, no? Okay, so more surprises to come. And of course, for this grand occasion, ladies and gentlemen, I know we've already had some series of cocktail foods and re-energizers a while back, but this time, well, as we will be continuing our program later on, and I'm sure you're also excited to have or to take some photos with the other guests. So, ladies and gentlemen, the first part has actually been concluded. So this time we'll be having our dinner break for a few minutes. And later on, we will resume our merriment din naman. Para to make sure that on our second part of program, grabe, kung gaano kayo ka-energized ngayon, how much more later on. So, ladies and gentlemen, of course, for this dinner break, the couple will be visiting your tables. They'll be having some series of photos, and our band will also play some series of lovely music to make this gathering even more special. Right. And everybody just keep on enjoying your dinner. As to add more special moments, we'll proceed with one of the traditions of every wedding, of course, the cake slicing. So just like if you can see everybody, and as mentioned a while back, they are really dog lovers. they don't just have 1, 2, or 3 pets. Well, to be exact, there are 7. Namely, Coco, Kiara, Katana, Killer, Magnum, Tumi, and Kenya. Grabe. Lucky 7 indeed, no? Grabe. And if you can really see, siguro may konting twist ang ating cake because right now, sila po ang kanilang babies. We have, well, 5 of them here. And this time, well, if I may have to ask one of our guests, okay, ilan po kaya ang gusto nyo na babies nila? Oh, let's have a great guess. Ikaw na lang. Personally, ilang babies ang gusto mong magkaroon? Well, as you go. So, once again, ladies and gentlemen, you have just... Oops!
No money.
Just a little bit
man.
more.
Don't
Thank you very much.
No, 50
Everybody, you've just witnessed Bea and Mark's cake tradition. More kids din naman talaga. Very sweet. And right now, since I have with me, okay, Bea and Mark, and supposedly, ayan, syempre, we also have to invite 2 special people, and there is a big reason why these 2 were chosen to lead our secondary sponsors. So I'd like to welcome, once again, our best man and maid of honor, Musha Cajucom and Russell Cua. All right, palakpakan, ladies and gentlemen. All right, as always, ladies first. Musha, please.
And then, but other than that, I'm always here. I'm just a message away. And I'm excited to have another pamangkin. And yeah, I love you both. Welcome to the fam, Mark. Sister! Okay.
Thank you so much, Musha. Ayan, the Kai girls. And
Cheers!
all right, cheers, everybody. Cheers, cheers. That is, of course, the message of the maid of honor. And this time, let us also hear it from the best man, Sir Russell Cua.
I really think that we can make it, girl. All right, thank you.
There you go. Once again, maraming salamat. Napapanood ko lang yun sa sa Pigag. Tama ba? Oo. Sa amin galing, sa'yo galing yun. Woo! O yan, that's serve. There you go. Thank you so much. Mukhang ready na. Okay lang yan, guys. Then again, once in a lifetime lang to, kaya sulitin natin lahat. Now, before we hear your words of gratitude, dear couple, now everybody, you've been in this grand celebration since this morning's ceremony and until now. And ngayon po, this is already the perfect opportunity for us to witness all the great moments that happen on this special day. Okay, so please don't be surprised if makikita nyo po yung sarili nyo sa video, ha? So, ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the wedding highlights of Bea and Mark. Let us all watch this.
Everyone, thank you talaga. Yun lang ba?
Yes, that's it. Thank you, Len.
Love you
Let's
guys.
get drunk.
Yeah,
Yes.
love you guys.
All right. Thank you very much. Once again, Bea and Mark. And of course, before we finally end, ayan, syempre would also like to acknowledge some of the great people din naman behind this grand occasion. Maraming salamat, Catering and Food, Bistro Candon by Chef Nick. Thank you. Woo! Photo booth, Bello Graffiti. And as well as for the cocktail bar, sa mga ready na pong shumadyan, we still have Tipsy Hermanos by John De La Cruz. Appetizer, Chef Great Lourdes. Maraming salamat. For the live streaming, Sir Richard Soria, and of course the whole team. For the lights and sound, Sir Michael Regent team, thank you so much. Also for the hair and makeup, Best Barbie Klongji and Gilmore Bliones Barbie! Woo! And of course, photo and video, Luftan Ragasa. For the on the day coordination, maraming oh, thank you daw, Barbie. Ayan. Okay. And as well as events and coordination for us by Sir Jerome Paz and the whole team. And yes, for the so awesome rin naman, very simply yet special na design by Ava's Cakes and Events by Kit Mandak. Maraming salamat. And yours truly, Ancher Cua. And actually, Bea and Mark, before I end, good news, you are my 250th wedding na. At kaya naman, what I always do, before tayo mag-end sa ating programa, itong ginagawa ko kasi, we have that 10-count kiss na pinapagawa natin for long-lasting marriage. So I'd like 30! Oh! Alright, 30! Let's all count up to 30, everybody. Alright, everybody. Hanggat hindi kami, 10 lang daw kasi. Alright, 10. Everybody, alright, let's all count up to 10. At syempre, para mag-ready tayo sa party-party, hindi maghiwalay yung mga labi hanggat hindi tayo nakakarating sa bilang na 10. Ready, set, kiss! Alright. Ayan, wait lang. Let's... Alright. Bea and Mark, kiss! 1,